Live like a local na vlog. Kating ko. Hala, yung clover ang mahal. Grabe, busog. Ang daming pagkain. Iba talaga yung hospitality ng Pinoy. It's just the first time that we meet the titos and titas here. And nakakatuwa how we are treated today. Wow, bayabas.
Vitamin C.
Organic. House tour talaga to, guys. Pitas ka na lang tas kain. Di tayo naka-hotel tonight, but it's a home. American home. This is how they live. And again, napaka-hospitable ng mga Pinoy. Good morning, guys, from San Diego, California. This is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. At nandito tayo ngayon sa hotel natin in Coronado Island. It's a brand new day. May church in Coronado Island. 3 to 5 minute na drive, Uber. Kung first time nyo ako mapanood, so nandito tayo sa San Diego, California for an all-expense paid trip by my company. So ano to? President's Club trip. So trip ng mga top talents, charing, from all over the world. So na-meet na natin yung iba nating colleagues. Ito yung hotel natin. Pakita ko na rin naman ito kahapon. Kung kayo guys ay mag-travel in the Philippines, abroad, anywhere else in the world, US, you can book your activities, transportation, eSIM, travel items on Klook Hotel, and use my code Dave Gino Klook para maka-discount kayo. Kung magbubook naman kayo sa Agoda, you can use my code Dave Agoda para maka 10% off kayo. Alright? Palm Sunday today, start ng Holy Week. So, unang agenda ay magsimba. Dito sa San Diego, nakahanap naman tayo ng simbahan na malapit sa hotel. Unang agendum. Agenda pala plural, char. Agendum ay singular. Ito yung church. May media pa, oh. Ito yung church dito, guys. Katapos lang ng misa. Happy Sunday! Palm Sunday. Ito yung community around, neighborhood. Very US. Distinct talaga yung itsura ng US. Feeling ko ito lang napapanood natin sa mga Hollywood films. Ganon. Yung laid back na community. Tapos, not sure kung cherry blossoms yan, pero may magandang puno dun, oh.
Ay, ayan na.
Yuk. Yeah.
How are you guys doing today?
Great. How about you?
I'm good. Thanks for asking.
Yes. Thanks for asking as well. This is a nice neighborhood.
Yeah, Coronado.
Coronado, yeah.
Nice. The air so fresh.
Mga bahay. Are those cherry blossoms, the pink ones?
Yeah, I believe so.
Mm.
Thanks.
Have you been to the Philippines?
No, I haven't been to the Philippines, but we have a lot of Filipino people in San Diego.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Mexican. My roots
Oh.
are Mexican.
You're Mexican.
And I feel like we distinguish ourselves kind of the same thing.
Of
Like
course.
you guys are Catholic and we're Catholic.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I've been there in February, Mexico.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've been to Our Lady of Guadalupe. I love Mexico.
Nice.
And I have foreign friends, and my closest one when I was in Korea, a Mexican girl. Because we share a lot of similarities.
We do, man.
Mexicans and Filipinos.
Yeah, we're very united when it comes to family.
Right. Like
Yeah.
Mexicans are so friendly as well.
Yeah.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
God bless you.
Muchas gracias. Okay. Taray, naka-Tesla tayo. Let's go. Magbra-brunch pa lang tayo. Brunch meaning breakfast and lunch. Good morning. Ito yung room natin. Kumusta ka naman, Ma?
I'm happy. I'm good.
You're good. Nakapagsimba
Because I
na.
was able to attend the Holy Mass.
Complete ng araw ni Mark. Di na siya mag-pickleball at magpa-massage chair. Charing. Nasa room na tayo. So, ang nilinis yung room. Ang nice. Nilinis yung room. Nakakatuwa. Ito, yung view from our room. Laid back lang yung San Diego. Good morning. Ang friendly ng mga tao, lahat nakangiti. Parang ganito sila sa US. Ang lamig ng weather, so it's like, tawag dito, aircon weather siya. 'Di ba? Aircon weather, tapos laid back. Pwede tayong magbisikleta. May bike. Mahal ka ba magbike? Hindi. Hindi siya marunong magbike. Let's go! Yan yung wellness center. Diyan yung appointment natin. Kasi yung schedule today, mag-pickleball this morning. And kasama ng brunch. Tapos may mga massage chair daw. Relax, relax on a Sunday morning. Parang chill yung mga tao dito. Laro-laro lang, lakad-lakad, bisikleta. May dagat doon. May mga barko. Yung pinaka-boss natin, mahilig daw sa pickleball eh. As in yung global lead na kasama natin ngayon. Kaya siguro ito yung lalaruin natin siya rin. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan kasi baka matamaan yung mukha ko. Yun yung fear ko. Okay lang sa badminton. Okay lang naman matamaan ng shuttlecock yung mukha ko. Pero, alam yung tennis ball, takot ako dun. Kaya, di ako nagta-tennis. Although may tennis court, yung pamilya namin. Yung tito ko, nagpatayo siya ng tennis court sa Lawaan, Eastern Samar. Yan yung hobby ng mga tao doon, mag-tennis. Enjoy na enjoy ang massage. Nandito na yung yung pagkain. And people are still playing. Yan palang pickleball. Mukha siyang tennis. Pero parang mas maliit yung kanyang pamalo. Ito yung pa-breakfast. Mga pastries. Brunch na natin to. This is already our lunch. Uy, oh my gosh, may cereal. Cereal ba to? Tapos banana. May sandwich pa guys. So, Minsok is a rock star in Nielsen. Like, he won the biggest deal from last year. Yeah. I won't disclose the company name. But is a rock star in the company. And Sujong, the wife. You're both from Seoul. Yeah, I love Korea. That's why my heart is close to you guys. I've been there 5 times already. That's a lot.
Gyeongju. Her hometown is Gyeongju.
Gyeongju?
Yeah.
Gyeongju.
It's very historical city.
Yeah. It's near Busan, right?
Yeah.
Gyeongju.
Yeah.
Of course, Minsok. Gyeongju.
Korea.
Because I watch K-drama. How was the brunch?
So sumptuous.
Sumptuous. Full. Grabe,
Full.
busog. Di tayo tinipid ng pagkain dito. Meron pang pa-giveaway na pickleball. Ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Ayun, mas nakilala natin si Minsok. Diba sinabi ko, 3 kami. Si Pure, nakita natin kagabi. Si Minsok and his wife. Si Minsok rockstar yun ng South Korea. Like, legend yun. So it's nice to get to know him and his wife. So talk about career, personal life. Ayan, yung pinag-uusapan natin dito. First time ko siya talaga makausap, si Minsok. 16 years na pala siya sa company. Kaya daw siya nag-stay because of the colleagues, the culture, nice culture, environment. Yun naman talagang reason, no, why a person stays in a company. Pahinga ulit ang mga person. Buti kasi malapit lang yung elevator sa room natin. Likod lang. Tulog muna tayo. Bawi ng tulog kahit papaano. Yun. Sleep. Ito, Sabi ko kailangan namin galingan maglaro. Because we represent the company. Pag maglalaro, gagamitin namin to. Pickleball. This is nice. 2. So, pair. Ito yung bola. Tara. Dumating yung friend ni Mama. So, alis tayo. Mga kababayan from Lawaan, Eastern Samar. Let's go. Launa na.
Kababayan.
In California. Wow, nadadaan ka pa, Ma. Okay. May
Lawan. But
may
Yuli is too
lotion.
far from here. It's a 7-hour drive. To San Francisco.
You met her before with
We're going around with them.
Oh, that's
busy,
good.
busy, busy.
So it's time for you now to enjoy here.
So this is the Coronado Bridge.
Bridge in California, in Coronado. It is Monday already there in the Philippines.
Chula Vista. Ganda. Kakasosyal nga rin pala. Visiting ang kababayan. Ganda. Filipino food. Wow.
Ay, naku, alam mo, nandito si nanay. Every morning. Gusto niyo umakyat muna? Halika.
Parang ako makakaon. Oh,
Palagi.
ganda.
Palagi.
Nag-israel. Maganda. Wow. Kahusa.
Nice weather.
Ay, Ate Sonny.
Mga 3 weeks lang sila.
Look what I found.
Parang
Hinog-hinog pa.
hinog na ini?
Pag
Ay,
masaplo
baga
dito,
inahin ko an ada.
Tapos, kinakaon lang ang sugad.
Oo, yung parang inaano lang, sinusup-sup. Kayo makakakain.
When life gives you tangerines.
Ay, guwaba.
Wow.
May pagka...
Bayabas.
matamis ito, pero wala.
Kaon dayon. Fresh na fresh.
Kasi kuha nito
Vitamin
organic.
C.
Organic.
O kamo. Walang spray. Sayang sana kung nataong kayong pagkadamuhin bungahin. Meron doon pa, ang laki-laki.
Poster talaga.
Yung nanay ko, palagi dito, no, ayun. Gusto niya lang. Masama in the morning, yung sun.
House tour talaga to, guys. Gusto ko yung backyard dito. Ang daming halaman. Pitas ka na lang tas kain. Bayabas, tangerines. Ganito palang buhay sa Amerika. Charing.
Ano? Raspberry.
Oh, raspberry. Social.
Take a picture, Dave. Picture, Dave.
Ay, muna. Wag na? Is it ripe? No. Iyan, ripe na
Ripe na yan.
Try mo. Pero hugasan mo muna. Just like
Picture.
that.
Ang ganda dito, no? Parang, can we move here? Charing. Laid back.
Iyan, experience it.
Happy birthday to you.
Sino may birthday?
Kaya ko.
Of course, the rice is like. The rice is like.
Ang daming Filipino pala dito.
Water is enough for me.
Kaya may tindahan ng Filipino food.
May
yellow corn.
giveaway ng mga yellow corn. Siyempre, malapit kami sa luwag. Tapos si Ruth, niya magurang, classmate ko.
Classmate niya lang.
Kami kami magiging sasanglang na itong yellow corn. Magaon.
Masarap, ate. Masarap.
Ganyan mga paragubog. Panunusing ka na
Magandang bahay.
Beautiful.
Gusto mo ng
Books. Okay lang po. Di ako mabooks. Many books.
Ito yung ano niya, opisina pa na. Kada ano, may higaan parang kung gusto mo
Kung
na
pagod.
matulog.
Higa agad.
With the TV.
1, 2, 3. Cheese!
One more, isa,
Okay.
dalawa, tatlo.
Cheese.
There you go.
Pero wala kaming souvenirs, kuya. Walang picture.
Selfie.
Walk pretty where the
Here.
yeah.
Picture. Grabe, busog. Ang daming pagkain. Iba talaga yung hospitality ng Pinoy. It's just the first time that we meet the titos and titas here. And nakakatuwa how we are treated today dito. Napaka-laid back. Parang saya mag-retire dito. Tapos ganito lang yung weather. Tapos narinig ko parang resort. Which is true. Very resort ang vibe. Ang ganda. Ay, dami din daw talaga Pinoy dito eh. Thank you po
Thank you for this chance to see you.
for the hospitality. Very nice.
Hello, very nice. Thank you, Ate, for
Ang
bringing us
ganda.
here in this place.
Chula Vista.
Chula Vista. Beautiful flowers.
It nga mall, it po, datit kuan, it po picture it nira. Ito na kabason.
Ngayon.
Kita tumabok ka, kuan, Las Vegas.
Get ko lang yung bag. Mag-overnight tayo kina auntie tita. Alis lang din tayo sa hotel kasi grabing spontaneity. Feeling ko talaga natutuwa yung mga Pinoy talaga if may kapwa Pinoy na nagbabakasyon siya sa area. Nung nag-post ako, napupunta ko ng US, tas Canada, ang daming nag-message. Baka pwede tayong magkita. May ganong message. So maraming salamat kasi nararamdaman kong kahit saan tayo magpunta, lagi tayong may makakasama. So yung mga solo trips, di ba nag-Japan tayo? Sometimes it didn't feel like solo trip at all kasi ang dami nating mini-meet. And I think that's the beauty of being a Filipino. Because we Filipinos are warm, we Filipinos are hospitable, we like friendly, we like being with fellow Filipinos. And actually, kahit yung ibang friends kong hindi Pinoy, pero pag malamang nasa lugar nila ako, they will make it, nag-English pa. Basta may make sure nila, they will make sure to meet me. So, yan yung beauty ng pagiging friendly din. Feeling ko na-build ko yung relationships simulat sa pool. Amazing. Na-amaze pa ako sa spontaneity. Nasa Temecula, California na pala tayo, guys. Katabi lang San Diego, California. Tapos may bakery tayong pinapasukan dito. Favorite dito ng tita natin. 85 degrees Celsius, bakery cafe. Let's go. Kakaiba na breads. Nakatulog talaga ako sa kotse. Hindi ko pa talaga nababawi yung tulog. Wild. May mga milk tea din dito. Milk tea. Nasa 277.14 pesos. Parang pandekoko. Pandekoko na may almond. Pandekoko. May pandekoko. Parang dami ding Pinoy guys dito. Yung features ay parang atin. 151 pesos pala to. Yung isa nito. 151 pesos. Clean as you go. Okay? Tara, let's go to the next door na shop. It's like living like a local today. Living like a local. Kating to. Mga Filipino bread man ini. Ano't ngaran niya? 88 Ranch. This is called 88 Ranch. Yeah, very Filipino. Bagoong mamasitas. Aya. Pwede magpansit. May bugas, may rice. Vietnamese, product of Thailand. Ito, wait lang. Na-convert natin yung rice. Teka lang, $23.99. Nasa 1,369.17. 25 pounds. Bakit pounds, hindi kilos? May silig. May broom. Naka-sale pa siya.
Sale.
5.99. So, nasa 341. Pinoy ka ba talaga kung hindi ka nagtatabo? Charing, ayan, may tabo, oh. Sure na akong very Pinoy itong store na to. Oh, may Knorr. May Knorr, 1.99. More than 100 yan, no? Hala, yung clover ang mahal. Nasa $3. 100 plus din. $1.49. Kano ba yan in pesos? Yung boy bawang, 1.49. Skyflakes, $18 for 2. 570 yung isa. Wild. Ito may safeguard, oh. So, yung mga nakita nating prices, wala pang tax yan. So, dadagdagan pa yun ng tax. Ayan yung bakery kanina. Tapos, ayan yung 88 Ranch Marketplace. Tapos, masada yung pandesal dyan. Trainings, Baker and Cafe. Feels like the Philippines nung pumasok tayo dito sa 88 Ranch. Just meet me at the
Video. Wow.
BMW pa.
BMW. Talaga ate.
Makiki-overnight tayo dito sa California. Di tayo naka-hotel tonight, but it's a home. American home. Kada ko to yung TV. Katulog ako sa sasakyan. Tama, familiar. Dito kayo nag-video call. Ayan, i-close ko na yung vlog dito. Karating na tayo sa bahay ni na Auntie Tita. Gusto ko yung remote control din yung gate. At may dalawang malaking TV. Side to side. Amazing. Kanya-kanya kayo ng TV. Parang nagmi-mirror. Pati yung sofa, magkapareho. Ayun guys, grabe from morning to evening. Very local kasi nagsimba tayo, brunch with our colleagues, and then sa hapon, explore naman kabahayan. So we heard about their stories dito sa US. So this is how they live. Again, napaka-hospitable ng mga Pinoy. And of course, our colleagues ang babait din. Shoutout kay Annie. Pinapag-upgrade pa tayo sa business class pa uwi. Pero medyo nakakahiya. Try kong umattend pa ng meeting. Alam kong di ako dapat nag-work, pero try kong umattend ng meeting. Tonight, this is Dave, the Kuripo Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!